You are welcome to my workplace. This is where I came to come and work today, cleaning. See, you see all this place, so I'm with my colleague. Now I work am. We don't clean everywhere. Grazie. We don't clean everywhere. You see this cinema? This cinema, wherever they do show. See, now I will call clean from up to down. From up to down. You know how many places we clean today? You know how many places we clean today? This is it. We clean everywhere. We clean everywhere. We are done working. Look at it. Yeah, therefore they do show. You know, for go they watch cinema. Now be this. You're the instruments. You know how many office we clean? I know we even fish show now everything finish. Because we clean a lot of office. Even go reach inside there. One at the see so. All this place now we clean all of that today. We don't clean up. We clean up there. We clean down there. See, this building a big building. Oh, maybe say my pikin can clean this morning. My pikin can do this work. This morning, since early morning. What is the time now? Time that they go. My pikin, I need to go sleep. I don't tire. Since early morning, I mean with my colleague, they work, they come. We try. You know, easy. One love, baby. We are there for the hand money, We are person for the hand money, You know, easy. Make I know your stock. Make I feel relax my mind. Make I never know a story. Make I feel relax my mind. Okay, one. I don't finish my work. Now this man can carry me. Or because carry me. Or be where they disturb my life. Or because carry me. As we they go house now. Can I saw you? I also may we pass market, public market, may we buy fish. May we carry go house. Because if me reach house now, I have to go back, fall out for inside bed. Now I see. My pikin need to relax because Obi surprised me last night. Obi did not tell me that he was coming home. He came home yesterday to surprise me. Can you see him? He came home with his own abolori cocoa. Baby, I say hello to everyone. Say hello now.
No.
Why are you not going to say hello?
Okay.
What's your business? I know my Obi. Obi does not want to say hello to anybody because I wake him up early morning to take me to work. Because the rain was falling. Shall I tell you?